One more thing on the OnePlus. We have official word that there will be chargers in the box for the OnePlus 9 flagships. I mean, the people, the fact that you need to say that nowadays is kind of funny, but that's 2021, the vanishing charger. Apple dropped it. Samsung dropped it. OnePlus and others have made a bigger deal in the past over charge speeds. Right? Oppo has done similar, saying, hey, we got this tremendous 45 watt, 55 watt, 65 watt charge speed. And it's kind of seems, it's almost hard to advertise your incredible charge speeds if you don't have that charger. So we're in this middle ground. And it's part of what maybe in the case of iPhone, you can make the argument it's not such a big deal because those devices have not typically been all that fast charging, nor has Apple put a huge effort into discussing how fast or not or slow their devices tend to charge because they were hanging onto that 5 watt power brick for so long. Samsung, a little less so, but again, Samsung, similar boat to Apple where they didn't ever make a huge deal out of charge speeds. But these companies, on the other hand, OnePlus included, they've been talking about charge speed forever. You can't take away my power brick because I can't enjoy that new technology that you're busy marketing to me if it's not in the box. And so we have the official word because I believe Pete himself, the CEO of the company, hopped into the official OnePlus forum to squash the potential rumor that they would be done with the power brick as well. He says, don't worry about it. We have the charger inside the box in reference to a comment suggesting that the new phones would launch without chargers. So it's official now. And it will be a warp charger. The flagship phones come with it. Now, maybe they're lower end devices. Maybe they'll cut the charger there instead. Anyway, the OnePlus 8T came with a 65 watt charge adapter, and the 9 and 9 Pro are expected to get the same. So likely 65 watt charging in the box. I can't say that I mind.
No.
Because I love a fast charge. I told you this.
Yeah.
I told everybody this. I like a fast charge.
Yeah.
You know, call me terrible. Call me evil. Yeah. I like a fast charge.